Welcome to a video from thedishlifestyle.com. New Windows 10 build to look at. This is 18895 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. This is a 20H1 build. 20H1 is due the first half of next year. Now this is just a quick catch-up video really, because this build is just one up from the previous build that was released on Wednesday, and you can see that on thedishlifestyle.com, that build video. The fix with this build, or the change with this build, is Your Phone now works. It didn't work in the previous build and it does now. So Your Phone here is the app that you can use to get your notifications, and you can get your text messages and pictures all on one app so these are on my Android phone, and they're all coming through into the PC. So this didn't work before, now it does. In the preview version, you can get Android notifications and screen mirroring if you've got a supported phone. I haven't got a supported phone, but you get the pictures and messages as well. So that was the only difference with this build, is they fixed that. So one thing to say is it won't be available for Windows 10 Home N in some certain languages, and some Czech and Spanish languages as well for Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Professional and Latvian. The known issues are all exactly the same as the previous builds, where there was Realtek SD card issues, and some anti-cheat software blocks the install from working if you've got old versions of the anti-cheat software. So you can go back on our previous videos and check those out. But it's good to see that Your Phone's back and we're back working with this build. So check out the previous build video if you want. Just check out my previous build video that has more details on all the known issues, and go on thedishlifestyle.com, and I've got it all written up there. So make sure you subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.